Go into your heart, clear your mind of all other issues that you don't want to confront and deal with. So in other words, try to get balanced. If you can arrange to have your chakras spinning all in the same direction, that would be great. Because quite often, we have two chakras spinning left and one spinning right and a couple others spinning left again, and they're out of balance. So that's why the meditation and anything you can do to get your chakras spinning all in the same direction, then you are balanced. You're in alignment. But I'm not talking about that so much as just be peaceful. Just be peaceful. And what do you want from the OGs? Well, I want, let's say you just got an OG. You ordered an OG and you got one. Take it and hold it in your hand and put the intention that I want my environment to be a peaceful one, a positive one, a healthy one, all positive and affirmative and good things to happen in my environment. No negativity, just positive things for the plants, the trees, the cats, the dogs, for myself. Create a positive environment. Let that be your intent, and the universe will take over, will do the rest. You're only in control of so much. You're not in control of all that much, but you can, by your intention, gain more control to create that positive, peaceful, serene atmosphere. And that's why people meditate. They drop everything else that is of concern to them and go into that peaceful one, into the moment. That's so hard to achieve, to be in the moment. Because everything happens in the moment. And we are so much focused on the past and the future, neither of which is in our control. What we can control is the present, and we spend so little time in the present. That's why it's called a present. It was given to us. It's a present. Remind yourself. But it's the hardest thing to do. It's what I always say, you will take the longest journey in your life. It's going to be the longest journey in your life. But it's the shortest trip. It's only 1 foot long. From your head to your heart. And how many can do that? Think about that. It's the longest journey you'll ever take to get from this computer here that is controlling your life and is being programmed by everything that's coming in there. And then you have to sort all this nonsense out. And how many of us ever go in and delete our hard drive of all the stuff that we've accumulated that we don't need? We don't. We pack all of that stuff around and it runs interference with our life. For those who practice meditation, what a wonderful thing it is to reach that state of mind where you quiet everything down. There's no buzzing thoughts racing, bouncing around in your head. It's just oneness, just quiet. And then things begin to happen in that, and you begin to experience things that you otherwise will never experience. Bliss for some, awareness that they've never experienced before. Certainly a oneness with all there is. Terrible things happen when this computer overloads. The trick is to not overload it, get out of it completely, and go into the heart, which is even more powerful. They're discovering now, the scientists, that the heartbeat, with every beat that has a frequency, it pulses out, and it's much stronger than your brain.